Do you have unused modifier templates? Remove them to prevent errors when configuring new menu items or updating existing ones. In this video, we'll learn how to delete a modifier template in Sapaad POS. Let's begin. After logging into your Sapaad account, head over to Setup, Menu Setup. Select any menu item from your menu and click Edit. Scroll down to Item Modifiers and select Load Template. Choose the template from the list, then select Delete. If there are other unused modifier templates, you can follow the same process to delete them. Once you're done, click Update at the bottom. Don't forget to refresh your POS for the changes to reflect in the system. And there you go! You've successfully deleted an unused modifier template from your Sapaad POS. You can also check out our previous video on converting recipe to a finished good in Sapaad. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.